It's day 11 and today we are talking about daylilies. Hey guys, it's me, Lizzie, and did you know another edible perennial that you can eat are daylilies? With the USDA hardiness zone of 3 to 9, daylilies are a popular staple in Asian cuisine, and they are used both fresh and dry. Every part of the daylily plant is edible. You can pluck the young shoots, boil the tubers like potatoes, or spruce up your salad with its bright orange petal. You could eat daylily buds by frying them in a pan with a little bit of butter, garlic, and salt. Daylily buds taste like a cross between asparagus and green peas. The shoots should be harvested in early spring when they are tender, and they should be sliced right above the soil level. And then you can use them in stir fries or pastas. The tubers need to be dug up before the flower stalk appears, which should be around late fall and early spring, because otherwise they'll be mushy. Dig up a clump of daylily roots, cut off most but not all of the tubers, and plant all of the remaining roots and tubes so that the daylily can grow back. Don't just eat any daylily or anything that looks like a daylily. Not all lilies are edible. Star lilies and some Asiatic lilies can be poisonous, where other lilies can cause your mouth, throat, tongue, and lips to go numb. Eating peace lilies and calla lilies will cause your mouth to swell, and crinium, calla, and true lilies can cause skin irritation for some people who come in contact with them. The safest edible daylily is the common daylily, Hemerocallis fulva. I have not tried this one yet, but I do believe I have this one growing on my property. And if I do, you bet I'm going to start harvesting them. Thanks for watching Little House and Homestead. I'll see you tomorrow.